This bad boy right here is the source of all of my joy in the mornings, every single morning. I'll show you. Here we go. This is my Nespresso Vertuo machine. It is beautiful. It is dusty. It is well used. I've had it for 2 years and I love it. It makes the perfect cup of coffee every single time. So the way it works, you just push the button. It goes up. It takes the previous pod and lets it fall down behind into this little bin right here. And then it's ready for your next pod. And then when you're ready, you just, let me pull this back so you can see it, push the button and it squishes it for you. And then you just push the button on top and it makes whatever size coffee you have put a pod in for, whether it is an espresso or a regular 7-ounce, almost 8-ounce cup of coffee. And then we've got the water reservoir here. It comes off like this. You fill it up. This just comes off very easily like this. Ta-da! And then the back there that is sitting on actually swivels, which I will move so that you can see. It can go from side to side like this. Except that my arm's in the way and you can't see. So let's try that again. See, you can swivel to either side. There we go. Now, this little guy, you may be wondering what he is or what he's all about. Oh, look at these coffee grounds that just came out from underneath there. I need to clean that. This is the Aeroccino that came with this bad boy. The Aeroccino is no longer the modern model. I think this is the Aeroccino 2. I don't know where the lid to it is at the moment, but I use this every morning to make my milk frothy for my latte. It makes it both hot and cold, and every morning I make an iced oat milk latte, and it is delicioso with some diabolito. So if you are looking for the perfect cup of coffee every single morning, I highly recommend you just get yourself one of these because it is so good. And it saves you from going to some of the mainstream coffee places every single day and spending lots of money every single week on coffee drinks that you could easily make at home that taste better. So highly, highly recommend.